Hey everybody, Big Rig Steve here with BigRigTravels.com. So Chotech sent us this 7-in-1 USB-C hub and laptop stand. So when you open it up, pull it out, comes with a itty bitty user manual. USB-C plug, USB-C to USB-C, and in here in this nice little carrying case, here it is. Now, just to show you here, if the camera will focus, you've got HDMI, you've got two USB-A's, you've got two card readers, the TF card and the SD card. You've also got three USB-Cs. And you will be able to connect one of the USB-Cs using that cable I showed you to your computer, plug in your photo cards, your HDMI, whatever, and you'll be able to feed all of this, 7 of them, into your laptop. But that's not all. Pull it across like that, let the legs drop, put them in the slots, put your little feet out, and put your laptop on. And I mean, it holds it. Besides the desk wiggling, this holds it pretty nicely. If you have a smaller laptop, just do accordingly. This would also be good for your tablet, even if you don't want to use all of these. But having all of these connections, because you know laptops don't give you very many ports, this will give you 7 more ports that you'll be able to use, and maybe help increase your productivity. Chotech did give this to us to try. Works pretty well. Nice foldable design. It's sturdy. I mean, I know it may not look like it, but it does exactly what it's designed to do. And good way to have airflow and charge your phone or look at your phone, swap files, whatever the case may be. Put it in a nice handy case when you're done. That's it. It works pretty good. Big Rig Steve out. Links down below.